Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today we are going to unbox the new LW-Z5010PX printer. Let's see what's inside. Let's get this thing out of here. All right, first let's start with the printer. So first things first. Okay, this is going to hold the bulk rolls. We'll get to it in a little bit, but that's what that is. Let's keep going. See what's in this big box here is, oh cool. All right, so this is our instructions and our warranty card. Remember, our printers do have that lifetime warranty, no questions asked, but fill out that card. Send that in. You can do it online as well if you'd like. So what else? We have the lithium-ion battery. So this is really helpful if you're looking to work on a job site, you don't want to be connected to cords or anything like that. We do have the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Next, we have the tape cartridge that comes with the printer, which is a 2-inch vinyl tape. 2-inch is our new size that the bulk printers can take. The Z5010 and 5000 can take those, so that's what this is. It's also vinyl, which is a newer material. If you haven't checked it out yet, do it. It's amazing. I love it. Next is USB cord. Okay, great. This plug-in adapter, just like all of the other ones, it's a 2-part adapter to the wall, to the machine. Got it. Get rid of that packaging stuff. Ooh, I see bubble wrap. This must be my printer. There's a little handle, so let's do that. Okay, so here is our 5010 printer. You see I got the handle. That made it really nice for pulling it out. And then this one, the 5010, has the full keyboard here. So you see that screen just popped up. Full QWERTY keyboard, touch screen. Let's see what else is in this box. We'll get back to that in a minute. We also have this here. I got the kit that includes the rewinder. All right, so that is the rewinder. Kind of looks like a cool contraption. Let me show you how all this fits together. Take this, goes right here, slide it in the right way. Boom sauce. And our tape, same thing just like all the other printers. Let me turn it for you. See? Fits in just like this. I don't do it upside down very often. There you go. We are ready to rock and roll. So if you have questions about this new printer, you can reach out to us. If you want to see more, stay tuned because there are going to be many more videos with this printer and its brother sister, the 5000. So we'll talk about all the things related to it, but I hope you enjoyed the video and check back again. Thanks.